Hi Biostrap family! Now that you've been exploring the workout routines and programs, we're going to tell you how you can make your own. As a quick refresher, routines are sets of exercises to be performed in sequence during a single session, and programs are sets of routines to be performed in sequence over a defined period of time. To get started, you will first need to create a routine. To do this, go to Settings, Workout Routines, then click Mine. On this page, click Create Routine. Here, you can name and describe the workout routine, as well as choose a goal and select a category. Here, you can add exercises from your exercise library that should be a part of the new routine. As part of each workout you put into your exercise plan, you can add sets. In each set, you can determine the reps, weight, tempo, and rest period for that set. Make sure to save it and your routine is all set. When you are ready to create a program, go to Settings, Workout Programs, click Mine, then Create Program. Here, you can name and describe the program and choose a duration. Simply add your routines and click Save. Now, your custom routines and programs are ready to be used right within the Biostrap app. If you have any questions about the workout routines or programs, feel free to reach out to us right through the support section of the app. We hope you're enjoying your at-home workouts.